So this was another Honda with the factory leaking condenser. This one has the Keithan, or however you pronounce that name, condenser. And it's front end collision, but the little bit of damage did not put any holes. But you could see where it was leaking right here, and across here. It only had 4 ounces of refrigerant in it, about 120 grams, and should be 425 grams. And this is a 2017. So the typical defective Honda condenser, customer's been using it low on refrigerant. So I got to notify them they possibly could have a damaged compressor, just like the one from last week and many that I got on video, where they have leaky condensers, low refrigerant, and often a shaft seal that leaks, but usually on vacuum and not on pressure. But we'll see out this one. I just called back out to that other Honda from a couple days ago that had a leak shaft seal. The engine couldn't run, it was missing a bunch of stuff, so I'm being called back out there today to complete it, to see if I could seat that front shaft seal, the lip seal on there, and I could get it charged up and properly evacuated and charged. So we'll find out about that one in the next video.